Have you ever dreamed of picking fresh apples right from your own backyard? Today, I'm showing you exactly how to plant your very own apple tree, step by step. I'll walk you through everything, from picking the perfect spot to keeping your tree healthy and happy. Step 1. Choose the right apple variety for your climate. Some apples, like Granny Smith or Fuji, need a pollinator buddy, so you might want to plant 2 trees. Next, find the sunniest spot in your yard. Apple trees need at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight each day and soil that drains well. Avoid spots where water tends to pool. Now grab your shovel and dig a hole that's twice as wide as your tree's root ball, but not any deeper. Loosen the soil around the edges so the roots can spread easily. Gently place your tree in the hole, making sure the graft, the little bump near the base, stays above the soil line. Mix in some compost with your native soil as you backfill, and press down gently to remove any air pockets. After planting, give the tree a deep watering. Add 2 to 3 inches of mulch around the base to keep moisture in, but leave a gap around the trunk so it doesn't rot. If your yard gets windy, stake your new tree for extra support. And don't forget a tree guard or a small fence to keep rabbits and deer at bay. With just a little care, you'll be picking crisp, juicy apples from your own backyard in no time.